Can you walk me through Azzera and the integration with Leon?
Yeah, so what we're offering is Azzera CELESTE. It's a SaaS platform that will be integrated with Leon via API. And what we grab from Leon is the post-flight data, so scheduled flights already that had happened. We pull them in, and the CELESTE does the emissions measurements, and it also segregates all the flights into respective compliance markets. Whatever doesn't fall under compliance markets, it goes under voluntary. So you have a way of measuring, managing, and mitigating your emissions all in one in Azzera CELESTE.
Okay, so what's the business goal that it provides? The main focus.
Yeah, so there was this whole challenge of being able to calculate emissions data properly, and a lot of aircraft operators have a similar challenge because they do it at the end of the year, and when you do it all at once, it can be a lot of work because you're going flight by flight and market by market. So CELESTE is here to solve all of those problems by making it effortless, and then you can at the end just export data out in the way you need it for whichever market that you're reporting to.
And why is it important to have such a solution in your business? Yeah?
Well, I think specifically for business aviation, the midsize operators might not have the people needed to manage these complicated compliance schemes, right? So that's what Azzera brings. It's actually automating all of these processes, allowing the people, it's a tool for the people that are managing compliance within the operator's organization, and they can have an overview on a daily basis, really, what's happening with their emissions. Are they hitting the threshold? Are they not hitting the threshold? Should they buy allowances or not? Or buy them when they're low in price, and so on. So yeah, it's a very complex compliance market, but CELESTE is not only the tool to solve compliance problems. It's also helping you manage and mitigate your emissions on the voluntary side, right? So you have access to SAF book and claim, you have access to voluntary carbon credits, which are all rated additionally with Azzera Impact Score. So you're at ease with the quality of these
I think
projects.
We're the first company or the first platform to have SAF available, and being able to attribute that SAF to a flight. So I feel we are already leading in that regard. Yeah.
So where's the integration going? For example, if I manage my fleet in Leon, and I go with the Azzera integration and the CELESTE workflow, how does it transfer the data? Yeah?
So it transfers the data from Leon to Azzera CELESTE. It takes the data about the aircraft type, it takes fuel data and destinations, departure, arrival points, distance. So all of this information is grabbed from Leon into CELESTE so that we can do the calculations required. The calculations are the official ones approved by ETS schemes. So at the moment we have SET, Method B, there's also other fuel monitoring methods coming on board. So you can really choose any of the fuel methods you're using for your compliance, but not only compliance, as I said, the same applies also to the voluntary part, right? So you can really, it's the only platform that's bringing the emitters and the mitigation products together in one platform.